and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. BTC ETH trade lower after US Fed ups interest rates by 75 basis points. India accounts taxing crypto income from businesses headquartered elsewhere. Zipmex closes to signing $100 million rescue deal in return for a 90% stake. Union Bank of the Philippines begins trading in Bitcoin and Ethereum. France, Switzerland, Singapore to test DeFi in Forex markets. Robinhood's crypto revenue declined 12% to $51 million in Q3. MoneyGram announces plans to allow users to buy and sell crypto. Solent exploited for $1.26 million in market manipulation attack. Zipmex to dismiss 30% of its workforce shortly after CEO replacement. Evmos connector of Cosmos and Ethereum blockchains raises $27 million in token sale. Cryptocurrency market fell over 1.5% in Thursday morning trade after the US Federal Reserve continued its tightening strategy to combat inflation, increasing the interest rate by 0.75% to 4%. Bitcoin was trading down 0.9% at $20,300, while Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was down by 2.5% at $1,540. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was down 2% at 30,590 points. The Indian Taxation Authority has proposed new changes to the filing of income tax returns that could have a significant impact on those who own virtual digital assets or cryptocurrencies, as well as those who invest in decentralized autonomous organizations. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has proposed a new common tax return that largely consolidates existing income tax returns in order to make the process more efficient. However, the proposal also seeks information from Indians living abroad about any business connections that may have in India, as well as whether that entity has a significant economic presence in India, particularly businesses from which they derive income. Troubled Zipmex, a South Asian cryptocurrency exchange, is on the verge of signing a $100 million rescue package with an existing investor, though the deal is still subject to final approvals. Chalamchai Mahagitsiri, son of Thai billionaire and coffee king Prayudh Mahagitsiri, founded V Ventures and is on the verge of allocating additional funds in exchange for a 90% stake in Zipmex. However, there are conditions that could derail the deal. In the final conditions are met, V Ventures expect to close the deal on November 4th. The Union Bank of the Philippines, one of the Philippines' largest universal banks, has launched a pilot program for Bitcoin and Ethereum custody and trading services for select retail customers, according to a joint announcement on November 2nd. Union Bank launched the new investment and trading feature in partnership with Swiss crypto technology firm Metaco, with the Union Bank going live on Metaco's digital asset platform Harmonize. Union Bank, which is licensed and supervised by the Philippines Central Bank, Banco Central NG Filipinas, has been actively exploring the cryptocurrency industry in recent years. Central banks in France, Switzerland and Singapore are attempting to automate foreign exchange markets by using decentralized protocols to reduce the cost of cross-border payments. Project Mariana, coordinated by the Bank for International Settlements Innovation Hub, is investigating whether protocols used in intermediary-free decentralized finance can replace traditional, more laborious processes for matching buyers and sellers of different fiat currency. Project Mariana is the latest in a series of projects hosted by the BIS, which works with the world's central banks to investigate whether state-issued digital currencies could have applications in everyday transactions or financial markets. Online trading brokerage Robinhood reported $51 million in crypto revenue in the third quarter, down 12% from $58 million in the second quarter. Robinhood announced in August that it was slashing its staff by 23% or 780 people to reduce costs amid a continuing decline in monthly active users. Earlier in the year, Robinhood had cut about 9% of its workforce. In the third quarter, Robinhood's MAUs fell to 12.1 million from 14 million in the second quarter and 15.9 million in the first quarter as customers continued to navigate the volatile market environment, the company said. The company's MAUs peaked in the second quarter of 2021 at 21.3 million. Overall, for the third quarter, Robinhood posted an adjusted loss of 20 cents a share, ahead of the consensus analyst estimate of a loss of 31 cents a share. According to FactSet, on revenue of $361 million, just shy of the analyst estimate of $362 million. MoneyGram, a peer-to-peer payment company, has announced plans to allow users to buy, sell, and hold crypto assets. Customers in nearly all US states and the District of Columbia will be able to use the service to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin. According to the payments company, more cryptocurrencies will be added to the services in 2023, subject to global regulations. The launch of this latest initiative, according to sources, is part of the company's vision to increase crypto adoption and bring real-world cryptocurrency and blockchain use cases to life. MoneyGram launched the new service in collaboration with cryptocurrency exchange CoinMe. On November 2nd, Solend, a Solana-based lending protocol, reported a market manipulation attack that resulted in $1.26 million in bad debt. The platform acknowledged the vulnerability and stated that the attack was directed at 3 lending pools holding Hubble stablecoins, Coin98 tokens, and Camino tokens. An Oracle attack on USDH was detected, affecting the stable, Coin98 and Camino isolated pools, resulting in $1.26 million in bad debt, Solend tweeted. Following the incident, the 3 affected pools were frozen. The Solend clarified that all other lending pools were unaffected. According to the Solend team, the attacker exploited a flaw in the project's Price Data Oracle, a system that tracks the prices of various crypto assets. The cryptocurrency exchange Zipmex is reportedly planning to reduce its workforce by 30%, making it the latest example of an industry company laying off workers. The announcement comes just 1 week after Zipmex CEO Alexander Hopner announced his resignation after nearly 2 years at the helm. Stephen Lutz, CFO, is his successor. The ongoing bear market has resulted in a wave of layoffs at numerous crypto-related companies, with the Seychelles-based derivatives trading venue Zipmex being the most recent example. Tharsis Labs, the creator of Evmos, a blockchain that enables cross-chain transactions between Ethereum and Cosmos, raised $27 million in a token sale led by Polychain Capital. The capital infusion is a vote of confidence following a rocky mainnet launch in May that needed to be smoothed out. The funds will be used to hire more engineers, form strategic alliances, and expand the Evmos ecosystem of interoperable decentralized applications. Galaxy Digital, Hobby, Hashkey Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Circle Ventures, Asymmetric, and a number of Web3 connected angel investors also participated in the round. Evmos began as the open-source Ethermint library of tools for creating an EVM-compatible Cosmos blockchain. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching 3.0 TV.